Hey guys, today I have another video for you, and it's a microwave. Now you might wonder, why am I doing so much microwave? Thing is, most microwave they display the same symptom, but the actual problem is different. So today we're going to look at a Frigidaire microwave. It's a Frigidaire. And the complaint with this microwave is that the display is not coming on, but if you open the door, the light would work. So let me just plug it in and let's verify that. So it's plugged in, no display, and if I open the door, yeah, if you can see, let me just move the camera around, you will see that the light is on inside. Okay? So guys, I will have to open this microwave up and take a look inside and see what's going on. So, let me get right to it. It's big. Now, of course, you must observe safety because there are a lot of potential voltage in here that can kill you. So, what I will do is a visual inspection. Now, some people might say, oh, check the fuse. Why you didn't check the fuse? Well, if the fuse was bad, then the light inside would not turn on. So, we know that the fuse is okay. So there's a little board connected to the panel in front. So I'm going to disconnect that board and take a look. I will also take a look at the monitor switches to see if any of them is bad. Doesn't seem so physically. So guys, I'm going to remove this board and we'll take a look at the board, because the display is on this board. Alright, so let me get right to it. So guys, if you like my videos, you can like them, you can share them, you can subscribe so that you will know when I post new ones. And remember, in this workshop, I use no schematics, no service manuals. I have over 25 years of experience in this kind of work. So let me just get this out of the way. I'll be taking a look at the display. Alright? Guys, I can move the camera up a little more so you can get to see. Yeah. So there's a transformer on the board, and this transformer is what converts 110. This microwave is 110 and gives off the secondary voltages like 12 volts, 11 volts, 7 volts, depends. So the first thing I want to take a look at is this transformer. So to get to the transformer, I have to remove the board. Yes guys, so our workshop is in South America, country Guyana, County Barbies, Township Corvaton. Or the name of our workshop is Raj and Andrea Electronic Repairs. So this is what the board looks like. Seem okay. No cockroach damages, which is a good thing. So I'm taking a look at this transformer. I'm going to check the primary coil. But guys, look, without even testing or just a visual inspection, you can notice there's a little showing black here. Seems as though there was a high voltage, and this transformer is out. I can guarantee that. But to verify, I'll take it out. Guys, remember, if you want to walk along with or follow the way I do these things, you have to be extremely careful with your safety with high voltage. So yes, look, this is the primary coil, and you can see there's it's burnt. The transformer is burnt. The primary coil is destroyed. So guys, I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll go look for the replacement. When I come back, I'll let you know. So guys, I'm back. I found a similar replacement, but I also noticed on the board there's a resistor that's burnt, so I'll have to replace that also. So just have to make some adjustments for the pins to fit. Looks good. And now for the resistor. I think it's 150 ohms, quarter watt. Well guys, I have to test it now. I'll have to place it back in the case and test it. So guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Pay attention to the display, let's see what's gonna happen. And nothing. So guys, we didn't get the power adjuster. When I plugged it in, there was no power. So I removed the board once again, and upon checking the configuration of the transformer, the middle pin, which is not connected on the transformer itself, but the original transformer was the coil was connected there instead of the end. But as you can see, this end pin goes nowhere, but the current is here. So what I will have to do, I'll have to make a jumper from this pin to here, because the AC comes in here and here. But on the transformer, the AC comes into the two ends. But as you can see, this end is connected to nothing. So I have to bring it to the middle. Alright, so let me do that and we should get power. So I'm just gonna make a little jumper to rectify that issue. The transformer is not the exact model replacement or exact number, so that's why it needs to be reconfigured. The pins need to be reconfigured. Small things, you know, just guys, you can take note of that. So guys, you can see I made the jumper. So what I will do, I will just connect the monitor switch and the AC input to the board. I would not connect the keypad nor the high voltage, just for testing, just to see if the transformer this time will do the job. So here we go. Remember, I put this in such a way it won't make any short. Yep, transformer came on, but the voltage seemed to be too high. So I did some further checking on the board, and I found this. It's a 27 volt Zener diode, shorted. So I replaced it. And now, let me plug it in. Let's observe together. Yep. And now the clock is on. Reset. I'm gonna try some water to hot. So I have some cold water. I'll give it 10 seconds. Start. And it started. And it's counting down. I guess you can see that. There's a beep. Yes, and guys, the water is hot. So guys, this concludes the repair of this microwave. So you see now the reason why I do so many microwaves. Most of them have the same symptom, the same problem, or the same complaint. But when I open them up and start the troubleshooting, it's something totally different. Like for example, this one, no display, but the light inside, the interior light would work when you open the door. In this case, I found the transformer, I found the resistor, and I found the Zener diode bad. Replace them, and now the microwave is up and running again. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it if it can help anyone. Please subscribe. And I hope you enjoy my method of troubleshooting. No schematic, no service manual. See you in the next one.